Step into the future of warfare, where aircraft vanish into thin air, stealth drones patrol autonomously in the shadows of the next-generation battlefield, and hypersonic weapons scream at Mach 7. Witness military communications operating in real time, striking with precision on impact. This is where science fiction becomes tactical reality.
What if a radar could see through invisibility itself? Quantum radar is an emerging technology that, in theory, could detect stealth aircraft at long distances, though it has not yet achieved consistent or near-perfect accuracy in real-world conditions. Unlike traditional radar, it doesn't rely on reflected signals. Instead, it uses entangled photons, particles that react instantly to changes in their environment. Here's how it works. One photon is sent toward a target, and the other remains at the receiver. If something interferes, like a stealth plane, the quantum state of the second photon changes. This means quantum radar doesn't even need a direct signal return. It can detect stealth planes just by analyzing the tiny changes in these entangled pairs. Traditional stealth tech, like radar-absorbing materials and angled surfaces, is useless against it. It sees through invisibility. Scientists are still working to fully understand and optimize how it works. A 1,000 drones, flying as one, faster than your eye can follow. These AI-powered drone swarms are the next evolution in battlefield technology, and they don't need a central command. Each drone weighs around 2,500 grams or more, depending on the model, but can process 10,000 calculations per second. They communicate using a decentralized AI system, like a flock of birds moving as one, without a leader. If half the swarm is destroyed, the remaining drones can reconfigure in under 3 seconds, faster than any human could react. And here's the kicker, they can operate without relying solely on GPS. Instead, they share a 3D map updated in real time by every drone in the swarm. Imagine a system so smart, it thinks like nature, and no one is in control. Messages sent using quantum encryption can't be hacked, not even by quantum computers. This is quantum encryption, a technology the US military is already using to protect its most sensitive data. It works by sending data using photons, particles of light, that can't be intercepted without being changed. If someone tries to eavesdrop, the photon changes, and the sender is instantly alerted. The US military has conducted experimental quantum key distribution over fiber optic cables up to 100 kilometers. And here's the kicker, if someone tries to intercept a quantum encrypted message, the act of observation alters the quantum state, alerting the sender. This is the future of secure communication, and it is being actively researched and tested by military and government agencies. Imagine a drone that can't be hacked, even by quantum computers. This is no longer science fiction. Modern stealth drones use quantum communication networks to transmit data securely and undetected. This system uses entangled photons, particles that instantly affect each other, no matter the distance. The data is sent at the speed of light, and the error rate is less than 1 in a million bits. That's near perfect. If someone tries to intercept the signal, the quantum state collapses, instantly alerting the drone and command center. This technology is already in use by military forces, offering a level of security that's unheard of in traditional systems. And scientists still can't explain why it's so secure, it's like nature itself is protecting the signal. A nuclear-powered drone ship can patrol for 30 years without stopping, or refueling. This autonomous vessel, developed by the US Navy, is powered by a compact nuclear reactor and runs on artificial intelligence. The reactor produces significantly more than 10,000 horsepower. For example, Nimitz-class carriers have reactors producing steam for propulsion systems rated at over 190,000 horsepower, enough to keep the ship moving at up to 20 knots, but not necessarily non-stop for 30 years. Its onboard AI processes 10 million data points every minute to adjust course, avoid threats, and make real-time decisions. And here's the mind-blowing part, it can operate in complete silence, with no human crew and no engine noise. This is the future of naval engineering, a machine powered by atomic energy, smarter than most humans, and always on patrol. What if the next war is fought by ships that never sleep, and never need to breathe? A projectile fired at 8.8 times the speed of sound, with no fuel, no gunpowder, just raw electricity. This is the US Navy's railgun, a next-generation weapon that uses electromagnetic force to launch a projectile at approximately 7,600 miles per hour. Instead of explosives, it uses a massive electromagnetic pulse to push the projectile forward, like a magnet pushing a metal slug at incredible speed. Each shot releases enough energy to power 20 average homes for a full day, all in a single burst. The barrel gets so hot during each shot, it reaches temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. And the projectile itself? It doesn't carry a warhead. The destruction comes from pure kinetic energy, like dropping a school bus from 10,000 feet. This is the future of warfare, powered not by fire, but by electricity and engineering. The F-35 can trick radar by changing its skin in mid-flight. This fifth-generation fighter jet, developed by the United States, is the most advanced aircraft in the world. Its surface is equipped with advanced sensors to monitor and adjust electromagnetic properties. This adaptive skin reduces radar detection by over 90%, making it nearly invisible to enemy systems. Even in heavy rain or turbulence, the system recalibrates instantly, without affecting speed or performance. The F-35 flies at a top speed of approximately 1,200 miles per hour and can operate for approximately 1,200 nautical miles without refueling. That's comparable to the speed of many commercial jets, and it can change its entire radar signature in real time. And it is designed to operate in a variety of weather conditions. What if your bulletproof vest could turn to stone in 1,000th of a second? This next-gen body armor uses a shear thickening fluid that hardens instantly under impact. When struck with a few hundred pounds of force, the material transforms from flexible to rock solid in a fraction of a second. This armor can stop high-velocity projectiles before it even registers to the human eye. Researchers are exploring its use in protective sports equipment. Imagine a material that's soft enough to move in, but hard enough to stop a bullet, all in a fraction of a blink. This is the future of protection, and it's currently being researched for practical applications. A projectile launched at around 4,470 miles per hour, with no explosives, no gunpowder, just raw electricity. This is the electromagnetic railgun, a cutting-edge prototype being developed at China's Wuhan Institute of High Energy Physics. Instead of a traditional barrel, the railgun uses two parallel metal rails to magnetically accelerate a projectile. When fired, it generates 10 million amps of electricity, enough to power a small city for a short time. The projectile reaches speeds of Mach 5.8, 6 times the speed of sound, and can strike a target over 100 miles away in less than a minute. To put that in perspective, it's like launching a car at the speed of a fighter jet, with no fuel or explosives. And here's the kicker, the railgun doesn't even need a barrel. The projectile is magnetically propelled, a promising technology with potential military applications. This missile can change direction more maneuverable in short bursts than a fighter jet, in approximately 10 milliseconds. It's a next-generation hypersonic missile, designed to outmaneuver even the most advanced defense systems. At the heart of its speed is a scramjet engine, a technology once thought impossible over 20 years ago. This engine compresses air at hypersonic speeds, allowing the missile to travel over 3,800 miles per hour. Its guidance system updates its position every approximately 10 milliseconds, using real-time radar data to dodge threats. It can make sharp turns of up to 15 degrees in a single second, faster than most defense systems can react. And scientists once thought scramjet engines were impossible, now they're revolutionizing warfare. Imagine body armor that can heal itself after being shot, in about 3 seconds. This is self-repairing armor, developed by engineers to mimic the way human blood clots to seal wounds. The armor is embedded with millions of microcapsules, each about 1/1000th of an inch in diameter. When a bullet strikes, these capsules rupture, releasing a liquid polymer that instantly fills the hole. The polymer hardens in a few seconds, restoring the armor's integrity and protection. This technology is inspired by biology, just like how blood clots to stop bleeding, the armor clots to stop damage. And scientists are still finding new ways to improve it. What if your armor could heal like your skin? In 15 seconds, a hypersonic missile can go from 0 to 5 times the speed of sound, faster than a bullet leaves a gun. These missiles, developed by countries like Russia, China, and the US, are redefining the future of defense technology. At the heart of its speed is the scramjet engine. It compresses incoming air at 10 times normal atmospheric pressure, fueling the missile at hypersonic speeds. The missile reaches over 3,800 miles per hour in under 30 seconds, that's faster than any commercial jet. Temperatures on the missile's surface can hit 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt steel in seconds. To survive the heat, the missile is coated in a special ceramic composite that peels away in layers, like armor shedding to stay cool. This is engineering at its most extreme, a missile that breaks the sound barrier in 15 seconds, and keeps going. Modern warships use light particles to send messages that can't be intercepted, not even by the most advanced hackers in the world. This is quantum communication, a system that uses photons to transmit data at the speed of light, with near-perfect security. Each photon is encoded with a unique polarization pattern, like a secret code that can't be copied without being noticed. If someone tries to eavesdrop, the system detects the intrusion, like a security light that turns on when someone peeks. Modern warships are exploring quantum key distribution as a future technology for secure communication, but there is no publicly available evidence confirming a 99.99% success rate in current operational use. This is the same kind of tech that's being tested for future internet security, but the Navy is exploring and testing quantum communication technologies for future use in protecting classified data, but it is not yet in widespread operational use. And here's the kicker: if someone tries to eavesdrop, the system can detect the intrusion, but it does not necessarily alert the sender before the message is read. What if tanks could travel at 290 miles per hour underground, silently and undetected? This Hyperloop-inspired system is being developed to move troops and equipment between bases at unprecedented speeds. Electromagnetic propulsion pushes the modules forward at up to 763 miles per hour, faster than most fighter jets take off. The tunnels are pressurized to eliminate air resistance, making travel times between bases up to 90% faster. Each transport module can carry 40 soldiers and their gear, all in a single, silent trip underground. And here's the kicker: the tunnels are built with self-healing concrete that can repair cracks over time, but not necessarily in minutes using microcapsules. This isn't just fast, it's the future of military mobility. What if your army could be anywhere in minutes? A modern hypersonic missile can fly around 3,858 miles per hour, 5 times faster than sound, with no spinning engine at all. These missiles use scramjet engines, a type of air-breathing jet that compresses air at hypersonic speeds to ignite fuel mid-flight. But scramjets only work above 30,000 feet, where the air is thin enough to let the engine compress it without slowing the missile down. Inside the engine, fuel burns at around 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit, as hot as the surface of the sun, to create thrust without any moving parts. The entire engine is just a hollow tube, no turbines, no rotors, relying entirely on the missile's speed to force air through it. That's right, a missile can fly faster than a fighter jet with no spinning engine at all. It's engineering at its most extreme. And scientists still can't fully explain how the fuel burns so efficiently at those temperatures. It's as hot as the surface of the sun.